Let me be real with you. 2025 is my YouTube breakthrough year. I'm not waiting for luck, I'm creating it. This video, I'm going to share exactly how I'm going to hit my first 500 subscribers or 1000 subscribers this year. The real steps, the real mindset, and the small wins with even the struggles. So if you have ever felt stuck under 500 sub or 1000 sub, or like no one is actually watching your video, I would like you to keep watching because this year we're actually breaking through together. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Coach Sarah and I'm documenting my YouTube growth journey in real time. I'm not a big content creator yet, but I'm actually building something small and real with step by step. And my goal for 2025 is to hit my 500 or 1000 subscribers and finally unlock my monetization. Then let's start with mindset. No strategy works if your head isn't in it. You understand? So last year I posted just to actually post. But this year, every video has its purpose. I've learned that consistency isn't just about uploading often, it's about showing up even when it feels like no one is actually watching your video. I'm treating my channel like a real brand, even before it becomes a big brand. And if you're actually watching this and still doubting yourself, please stop because underestimating small beginnings is really bad. So also know that every creator you admire, they actually started with zero. Now, my game plan. Let's actually talk about the plan. You see, I'm posting 2 to 3 quality videos a week because I want to focus on topics that are actually searched and helpful. You understand? And two, I'm using YouTube Shorts to drive discovery, like one shot per day to test what people actually love. And number three is every thumbnail gets tested because if they don't, they can't be clicked or watched. And number five is, and the most importantly is, I would like to reply every single comment to be able to create a community first. So my focus isn't just the views, it's also the connection. All right. So when people feel like they actually know you, they actually come back. And that's how subscribers really grow. So the what is the growth strategy here? You see, this part is where I go deep into what I'm actually doing this week. You see, every week I review my analysis, watch time, click through rate, and audience retention. I'm learning what keeps people watching. You understand? So then I do well to adjust my next video based on the data I've already gotten. And I'm also experimenting with titles, not clickbait, you understand, but curiosity. So, for example, instead of saying my thumbnail journey, I would title it What I Learned After 100 Days of Posting on YouTube. You understand me? That is me trying to create my thumbnail to be a curiosity. So little tweaks take a big difference. And I've stopped comparing myself to big content creators, like I said in my other video, because my competition is me last month. This is the challenges I'm actually facing. Let me be honest, it's not actually easy. There are days when a video actually flops, which is one of my video, or I feel like I'm actually wasting my time here. Sometimes I record for hours, edit for hours, and even barely get 50 views or even 100 views. But here is the truth. Those 50 views are people, real humans watching me. You understand? And that's enough to keep me going because every small creators who didn't quit eventually made it, and I'm not actually quitting anytime soon. And this is my vision. I can already see it coming. One day I will actually look back at this video and smile because this was the year I stayed consistent. Yes. The year I believed that before the numbers showed up. The year I learned how to grow slowly and steady and smart. If you are on the same journey, let's actually grow together. Drop a comment saying road to 1K or road to 500 subscribers. Let's make this our movement. So that's my full plan for reaching 1,000 subscribers in 2025, not just with strategies, but with intention. If you found this helpful or motivating, hit that like button and subscribe. Not because it's free, but because we're actually growing together. Let me make 2025 our YouTube year. See you in my next one.